Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto and finance. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, yes, I had the day off yesterday. Just needed a break from all of these numbers that I literally look at 24 hours a day. Anyway, guys, we've got a lot to have a look at in the news. We've got Ripple and XRP news. That is a given. Obviously, you know, we've got a lot happening with the court case. There is also a lot coming with the Bitcoin halving, which there is an official date now that that is going to occur. As you can see right here, the global push to ditch the US dollar, which is interesting. And obviously, millennials are the ones that are pushing crypto forward, which is really nice as well. Shiba Inu, going to be talking about that. And of course, a lot of Bitcoin is flowing into Binance, which is really interesting. So we're going to go through everything. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now, if you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are just getting insane in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? Make sure you give it a good old thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto. So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way now. I just want to say as well, I literally have just done a massive investment in my bots in the Patreon. Those of you who are in the Patreon, go and have a look at it. It's massive anyway. Big time. Now, let's go to the community tab, ladies and gentlemen, and there's some interesting stuff. Of course, we've got the Bitcoin halving officially set for the 28th of April, 2024. So it is 365 days away from today, which again is very, very bullish, because again, once this happens, you do not want to miss this train, that is for sure. Now, obviously, we've got Ripple has reported that the US SEC suffered a setback right here in its lawsuit against the payments firm involving XRP, which is interesting. We're going to get through a lot of that. Obviously, I've got my altcoins that are up. We had ICP, Nexra, Casper, Sia Coin, and Quant. Very bullish on Quant, as everyone knows. And yes, I, added ICP into my portfolio not that long ago. But anyway, let's have a look at the prices quickly, guys. I'm not going to go through all of them, but this is Coinspot. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. There is a referral link below. Please feel free to use that. You will get $10 in Bitcoin. And of course, with this stuff, do your own research and due diligence. Now, all the prices are in Australian dollars and everything else is set to US dollars, because I'm catering for everybody around the world and my Aussie fans. Now, we've got Bitcoin down today to 44,000 Australian dollars, just to make that clear. Ethereum's at 2,900. You've got XRP at 74 cents, incredibly undervalued. ADA 62 cents. I do hold ADA. I basically hold all of the top altcoins, all right? Doge 12 cents, Maddox $1.55. There's a lot happening with Polygon as well, by the way. Solana's at $36. You've got DOT at $9 as well. Moving down, we've got Chainlink at $11.20, which is nice. ICP up 1.41% today to $9.93. XLM is at 14 cents, very undervalued in my opinion. We've got Hedera doing nicely today, 3.47% to 9 cents. Some other ones I'm bullish on, of course, VeChain, 3 cents. That has been boring as all hell for a long time. Anyway, I'm still holding it, guys. I think it's going to be huge. But Quant is at 183. So you could have bought this a few days ago for 177 or something like that. So you'd be up. So, I mean, I think Quant's going to be a $10,000 to $20,000 asset, in the next 5 to 10 years. So we'll see where that goes. Scrolling down here, we've got Axie Infinity at $12 as well. I'm still staking that, earning 45% APY on Coinspot. And I don't have to lock it up either. So it's just sitting there making gains. But the only thing about staking, obviously, you have to be aware is, obviously, you get paid out in the cryptocurrency. And if it goes down, well, there you go. But I think Axie Infinity, long term, will make a good return, because I think play to earn games will come back. CFX is 50 cents right now. Again, I do have a bot set up in the Patreon for that one. Chiliz is one of the bots that I've got set up in the Patreon, by the way, and it is literally my best performing bot. No BS. And if you join the Patreon, you can actually see this. Now, if I just have a look on my platform right here, and I want to tell you what it actually is doing at the moment, because again, it's just ridiculous. Literally ridiculous. Let me scroll down here, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let's have a look. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, we've got Chiz up 567%. Link is below. Join up. Now we've got Neo at $16, Casper 7.12%, making moves 9 cents, and of course another undervalued gem I like is our XDC, which again has flipped IOTA, which is interesting at 31 cents. But anyway, that is it for the prices. Now let's get into all the news. And yes, again, I'll repeat myself because again, I'm building a very bullish community of serious investors here. No BS. It's me running it. There's nobody else. I'm just literally putting up what's making me money. And again, today I literally started a massive investment. So go check that out. It is linked below. It's ridiculous. Anyway, and again, sorry, I'm just excited about this. But anyway, I do put up in the Patreon all of my dividend investing, which provides me passive income. And again, that's cash flow that I make, literally making money while I sleep. And that's beautiful as well. And I did put a post up about that as well. Go join up. It is linked below. I love talking with everyone in there directly as well. Now, crypto bubbles. Casper. Nice. Some altcoins that we actually like. Casper up 6.8 on the day. 5 cents right here, which is really nice. And of course, we've got Hedera up 4% today. Is currently trading at 6 cents USD. This is very undervalued. Look at that beautiful right angle right there. It's just awesome. That's going to be XRP when this stupid lawsuit is over. We've got Quant at 2.7% today at $118. See the price difference from Australian to US dollars? Anyways, I still think it's very cheap, to be honest with you. 118. We've got FTT. Do not buy this. It's just ridiculous. I think this should be delisted. Anything to do with obviously Sam Bankman-Fried and just ridiculous. Anyway, 4.3 on the day. Do not get involved with that one, guys. It's just ridiculous. And again, there are still incredible buying opportunities, as you can see here. Everything is still 80 to 90% down from when I was buying it in the market, the peak of the bull market. Now, moving on to the news, we've got Ripple and the SEC, of course, guys, battling it out for crypto in the United States. But anyway, Ripple Labs, the blockchain company entangled in the lawsuit with the SEC over its remittance token XRP, has provided an update on the legal battle. And that has been ongoing for 2 years. And the company's update highlights that March 6th on 2023 order issued by Judge Torres, which determined which expert opinions from both the SEC and Ripple the court might consider during the summary judgment as well. And basically, she did strike out a few testimonies, experts. Now, you've got Ripple pointed out that the court removed the opinion of the SEC's experts who testified on the reasonable expectations of XRP purchases. Likewise, the testimony is another SEC expert who attempted to determine the cause of the changes in XRP price was also struck from the record again, which is bullish. And the crypto community members, including XRP enthusiasts, are eagerly awaiting Judge Torres' summary judgment on the case. Now, predictions on when Judge Torres may issue the ruling have varied widely. Notably, the March 31st prediction made by James K. Filan, who's been a legend in this space, who obviously closely followed the lawsuit, did not come true as many anticipated. However, I believe that May is still on the cards. Now, look at this. Crypto law founder Johnny Deaton recently predicted that the summary judgment on the Ripple vs. SEC court case might come to or an end on May 6th. Additionally, Ripple CEO speculates that the ruling could be issued in the first half of 2023. Next month. Guys, I'm not really stressing about it, but the end is near. Be mindful of that. The end is near. She could issue a summary judgment next week. Who knows? But in Ripple's recent Q1 of 2023 report, which again is very bullish, the company says that it now expects the summary judgment decision to arrive before the end of the year. However, it emphasizes that the timing of the summary judgment is ultimately up to the court. Now, again, as I keep mentioning on this channel, I mean, everyone's sick and tired of hearing it. I mean, to be quite honest, I'm sick of it as well. But we have to remain positive and think about, this could come at any moment, which, again, is very, very bullish. So, again, I think, as what James K. Filan, Johnny Deaton right here and Jeremy Hogan have all said that based on her previous rulings, it's usually a couple of months afterwards, anyway, when she issued the debauch motions or whatever it may be. Now, the Bitcoin halving. This is going to be huge because, again, when this happens, the prices of cryptocurrencies go parabolic again, which is just ridiculous. But what we need to know, whilst the next Bitcoin halving is less than a year away, just keep that one in mind. It is crucial to understand what is it and how it can impact the world's flagship crypto. And Bitcoin was invented in 2018 by an unknown person or a group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin's first block, referred to as Block 0 or Genesis block, was mined by Satoshi on the 3rd of January 2009, which is insane. At the start of Bitcoin, the initial block reward was set at 50 Bitcoin. And since Bitcoin did not have any monetary value, Satoshi, the sole miner, however, in March 2010, was the first Bitcoin exchange. BitcoinMarket.com was established, resulting in an increased interest in the digital currency. By spring of 2011, Bitcoin had exceeded a value of $1. And Bitcoin's halving is a crucial event that happens every 4 years on the Bitcoin network. And the next one is expected to take place on the 2024, which is not far away. And it is essential to understand what it is and how it works and how it affects Bitcoin's price. And the Bitcoin halving is a process in which the reward for mining Bitcoin transactions is cut in half. And the reward is the amount of Bitcoin that miners receive for solving complex mathematical problems and adding transactions to the blockchain. Bitcoin was designed to have limited supply with only 21 million to be mined. As of April 2023, over 18.7 million Bitcoins have been mined, and the remaining number of Bitcoins is decreasing with each halving, which again just means that the price is going to increase, dramatically, in my opinion. And of course, you've got the Bitcoin block 187,500 will be mined shortly, which means we're 1 year away from the next halving event. So when this happens, you can expect that the entire crypto market is going to go up in value. That's why I'm very diversified in my portfolio. Now, the global push to ditch the US dollar is now unstoppable, says the Russian foreign minister right here. And the American dollar's reign as the world's top currency is coming to an end. And there's nothing the United States can do about it, according to the Russian foreign minister. And after the new speech, the UN Secretary Council told reporters right here that the global currency flip is coming like a freight train in a move that will permanently change the global financial landscape. All this says to me is that people and countries are moving to cryptocurrencies more so. And we know that China, Russia, Brazil, India, all the BRICS nations are moving to cryptocurrencies for trades. It's just going to be inevitable. It's happening. So guys, keep an eye on what's happening in this world with finance. I suggest everyone watch the news, the finance news, as much as you can, and pay attention to Twitter as well, because there's a lot of good stuff on there. But research shows 46% of millennials are in major economies own crypto. And obviously, BitGet's researchers conducted a survey in 26 countries, which gathered response from a total of 255,000 individuals from 4 distinct age groups right here: millennials, Gen Xers, Gen Z, and baby boomers. Some of the countries in the survey: United States, Nigeria, China, Indonesia, and Japan. Notably, the countries in the survey boast larger populations, and researchers targeted 10,000 from each, which is very interesting right here. But again, millennials, hold cryptocurrencies more so than anyone. And 19% of the respondents were baby boomers right here. Gen X is comprised of 23% and of the population under study. And while Gen Z and millennials were 31 to 17% respectively, after compiling the results, but they published on Friday, the April 28th, which is interesting right here. But according to their findings, 46% of millennials respondents own virtual assets. Some 25% of Gen X respondents own crypto, while 21% of Gen Z also own crypto assets, which is baby boomers also owning 8% as well. Millennials are going to be making money here, guys, and it's really awesome to see that. And I'm very happy to be in this space because it gives, people to have a shot at making some money for themselves. Really, that's what we're all investing into it. Anyway, nice statistics right there. And we've got the Shiba Inu burn rate soaring 384%, which is just crazy when you think about it. Okay, but the Shiba Inu community removing SHIB tokens from circulation supply on a regular basis. And over the last 24 hours, another large stash of Shiba Inu obviously was burned right here and transferred to dead wallets. However, since Wednesday, SHIB has been trading it, I'm not going to even read the zeros, range after losing more than 6%. But obviously you can see right here, the community got rid of 4.8 million Shiba Inu, thus pushing the burn to rate to 384%. So we could potentially see some moves because, the burn rate's increasing like crazy. And I'm only invested in Shiba Inu as a purely making money perspective. That is it. Now, just a quick little thing here, but guys, $1.5 billion, which is an insane amount of money right here. And I'm sorry about these stupid pop-ups, but flows into Binance just in 30 days right here. Now, over $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin has flowed into the world's largest crypto exchange by volume in the last 30 days. New on-chain data from the market intelligence platform CoinGlass right here reveals that Binance currently holds 588,129 Bitcoin. And at the time of writing, obviously 51,386, of which came in just this month. That is a lot of Bitcoin. So again, I'd love 500,000 Bitcoin. How nice would that be? $1.5 billion. Let me know in the comments what you do with that kind of money. I'm curious. Let me know. Now, moving on, we've got money flowing into Litecoin. I told you, everyone, I'm looking at this very closely. Litecoin has a halving event happening with this one. So again, I have started a trade on this as well. I'm going to be putting it up in the Patreon. Now, Ethereum, Solana, you've got Bitcoin as well, Doge. What else we got here, guys? Ape as well. I think that's a security. Why doesn't Genza go after that? XLM right here. And, of course, Filecoin. Now, let's move to Twitter. There is not a lot happening, obviously, because it is Sunday, as you all know. It's the weekend. It's quiet at the moment. Now, I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Go follow me on there. You guys rock. I am giving this bull ring away when I hit 100,000 subs on YouTube. Everyone's favorite right here, Jim Cramer, says that the collapse of First Republic Bank could be the end of the current banking crisis. Anyway, I don't see that. This is hilarious right here, but again, pretty much sums up what Ethereum is anyway. Those gas fees are horrible. And John Reed Stark has put out a post here on, the SEC, and Johnny Deaton has just basically clarified everything. But on June 14th right here, 2018, Bill Hinman, former director of corporate finance, declared that putting aside the fundraising that accompanied the ICO, present-day sales of ETH were not sales of securities. Absolute facts. This is an awesome chart from investing.com. We are here right now, return of the mean. This is basically accumulation phase, in my opinion. Once we reach that close, halving event, it's going to be too late. Honestly, it will. Now, Shannon Cooney right here. Thank you, mate. I appreciate this. But this is what happens when you lack leadership, integrity, ethics, and honesty right here. And the people you are meant to protect, not your banking friends. Absolute facts. The US lawmaker introducing legislation to remove the SEC chairman due to a long series of abuses. He needs to go. Now, we do have an interview with David Schwartz right here discussing the XRP ledger. And thank you, EDO Farina right here. Let's have a listen to David Schwartz.
To the obvious. There are also changes that are in the form of new features. One of the features that I think is very exciting is a feature that would allow people to launch, stablecoins are the obvious use case, but it's not just stablecoins. It's essentially assets pegged to some external value. Features similar to that exist on other systems, but the interesting thing about this is that the liquidity is guaranteed by the ledger mechanic. There are also changes that
very nice right here. The XRP ledger allowing people to launch stable coins and assets pegged to some external values is one of my favorite new features. Very, very bullish. Now, we've got PayPal announcing Venmo users can withdraw Bitcoin to external wallets next month. That is very nice right here. And again, First Republic Bank likely to be removed from the S&P 500, which is huge. And moving on, we've got some interesting stuff, but stock protecting me right here. Investor alert, Bitcoin and other virtual currency related investments. That is back in 2014. Now, Brian Cohen right here, but the SEC on education right here and advocacy warned you not to invest in Bitcoin at $439. The return on investment, if held today, 6,569%. Mind blown. Fear and greed index is sitting at 60 right now, which is really nice. And Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit, the company reveals a new end date. Again, I'm very bullish on that. Very, very eager to get this case over and done with. I'm sure everyone is as well. Crypto exchange Coinbase warned the US SEC that it won't be easy to beat it in court if the regulator pursues litigation, referring to itself as a well-resourced adversary. Good. I mean, Ripple's been doing this for like 2 years, guys. Where were you? Anyway, Shibarium team is working on a new feature that will give Sheeb Layer 2 utility a major boost. And the creator of Gmail on Bitcoin at $100 exactly 10 years ago, he was right. And this is, I can't remember his name right here, Paul. Anyway, Paul right here was buying Bitcoin at $100. Very, very nice. Storing gold and storing Bitcoin right here. And of course, that is a ledger. Absolutely no-brainer. Now, let's go to CoinMarketCap, everyone, to see what's going on. Yes, this is my portfolio. Literally, I put this up every single morning when I'm having my coffee. Go join up because I get the full list there and I can't do it on my community tab, which is annoying. But Top gainers, Casper, Nextra, Hedera, Quant, Seacoin, T-Fuel, ICP. We have Reef, which is nice. I'm very bullish on Reef, and Phantom. And of course, where my money's going is the real banking coins and utility. Absolutely no brainer right here. But again, Ethereum, XRP, ADA. We've got AVAX, Link, XLM, Hedera, Quant, ALGO, Casper, XDC, IOTA, MIOTA, Nextra, LCX, and Alliance Block is basically Nextra anyway. I should remove Alliance Block. But that is pretty much it, guys. I can't wait for XRP to go parabolic. 8,000%. Look at that, all time. I can't wait for that to happen again. Anyway, guys, thank you very much. I will speak to everyone in the Patreon, in the community tab, in the comments. Stay safe. Have a good Sunday night or day or morning. Okay? Peace out, guys. Bye.